Thank you for your interest in entering the Alameda County Fair. This is a step-by-step tutorial for the online group entry process. At this point, you'll have already reviewed the individual online entry process, so you will have known how to choose which category you're interested in and how to review all of the information for that category. You'll have printed out the page that has all of the delivery, location, time information, as well as any special rules for the items that you're going to be entering. And you'll have clicked on the Enter Here button that's on the bottom of that category page. That will bring you to this online entry page. You will want to log in, and for this tutorial we're going to be choosing a quick group. This will give us the opportunity to enter numerous people under one group name. You will type in a group username. I'm going to use the Calbella family. And this is a group that we've previously registered, so we're going to have a password all set up for her already. If you're a new group, you'll type in your group information and choose your password, and then you'll click Continue. You can review your group information, make sure that's all correct, and if it's correct, hit Continue. That will now take you to the spot where you can start adding exhibitors and their entries. So click on that button down there. And now you'll type in the name of the first exhibitor that you're going to be entering for. So I'm going to enter for Mubella Alameda. And this is a previous exhibitor. So I'm going to click that and enter her password. If the person has not exhibited before, you'll just type in their name and it will bring you to the page where you'll fill in their address, their phone number, their email, their birth date, all of that information. And then you'll click Continue. When you're here, make sure you review this information page. Make sure the address is correct, the first name and last name are spelled correctly, make sure the phone number is correct, and most importantly, make sure that the email address that is listed is correct so that any information that the fair is going to be sending you will get to you. So please review that email. When you're sure that it's correct, hit Continue. And now you get to choose what Mubella is going to be entering. The department that we're going to have Mubella enter in for this tutorial is under Education and School Projects. And she is going to be entering under Elementary Education, Arts and Crafts. The class for that, from the drop-down menu, we're going to have her make some ceramics. And you need to type in a description. So she's going to be entering a ceramic cow. And we have her school name as any elementary school. Now you will obviously put the name of the school on there, and we have any teacher as the teacher's name. Go ahead and put the school's name and the teacher there because that will show up on the exhibit card next to the entry. Add that item to cart, and now it'll give you the opportunity to add another entry for Mubella. And you can do that by adding a similar entry. It'll take you to the same general department that she was in. Or you can add a different entry if you want to enter her under a different department. If you only want to enter the one item for her, go ahead and click Continue. And it will take you to the cart that reviews everything that Mubella has entered. Mubella entered Elementary Education, Arts and Crafts, a ceramic cow. Here's her school name, here's her teacher name. There's no fee for education projects, so there will be no fee. Now, I want to add entries for a different exhibitor, so I'm going to click this button down here. This will give me the opportunity to now type in a different exhibitor's name. So I'm going to do her sister, Annabella, who is also a previous exhibitor. And click Continue. I'm going to review all of her information. When it's correct, again, making sure to double check that email address. The information's correct. I'm going to hit Continue. And I will enter also in Education and School Projects for Annabella. The division, she's going to enter also some Arts and Crafts. And she's going to enter a farm or vintage themed arts and crafts project. So she's going to enter Annabella's farm. School name, same as her sister, is any elementary school and any teacher. Now, if you want to add another entry for Annabella, you can, or if you're done, you can hit Continue. This will show us the review. Now we've got Annabella and Mubella's items on this list. And here's the option to add for a different exhibitor again. If you're a teacher entering your entire class, you would go ahead and click on this different exhibitor button and go through this same process again. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and check out with just these 2 items. It says you have one more step remaining. You've got to review your entries. And then here is a hold harmless and liability statement that you're going to need to read through. And then when you have finished reading and you agree, you need to type yes and then click submit. That will send the information to the fair, give you your confirmation ID, how much you paid. Here's the email that you have on file, and it's going to email a copy of your receipt to this. And then you're going to click finish. And that will tell you that all of the items have successfully gone through to the fair. That is all you're going to need to do to enter as a group. If you have any questions about the online entry process, please call area code 925-426-7611 for assistance. Thank you.